Assalamu alaikum. Hi, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are doing well and safe at home. Okay, today I'm going to teach you a new lesson. Okay, I'm going to teach you a new lesson. Unit 1, we finish Unit 1. Okay, Unit 1 contains 3 lessons. Okay, Adventurers in a Banyan Tree, and then The Snake and the Mirror, and the lines written. That poem is written by William Wordsworth. Okay, so that 3 lessons we have completed. Unit 1 we completed. This is Unit 2. Okay, so the unit name is frames. What is the unit name? The frames. The lesson name is Project Tiger. The lesson name is Project Tiger. So this lesson also very interesting lesson. Those who having the textbook, take out your textbook and listen carefully. Okay. So Project Tiger is written by Satyajit Ray. Okay, Project Tiger is written by Satyajit Ray. Before starting the lesson, we should know about the author. Okay, so we are going to look at what he had written. Okay, so he was born on May 2nd, 1922 in Calcutta, Bengal Presidency, British India. Okay, what is his occupation? Okay, Satyajit Ray. Okay, occupation is director, producer, screenwriter, music composer, calligrapher, lyricist, writer, and illustrator. So he has multi-talented. Okay, he is a multi-talented person. And then what is it? His debate film is Pather Panchali. Okay, his debate film is Pather Panchali. That is, it took in 1955. Other major works are what is that? Apu Sensor directed. He directed 36 films, including feature films, documentaries, and shorts. And awards. What are the awards he got? Is 32 International Film Awards. 32 International Film Awards. Academy Honorary Award, Bharat Ratna, Honorary Degree of Oxford University. So he got a number of awards. Okay, and then he died in April 23, 1992, Kolkata, West Bengal. So whatever the lesson, so you have to know about the author. Author plays a very important role in the lesson. Okay, so and then going to the lesson, the lesson is about films. Okay, the lesson is about films. So they are asking, have you ever thought about the strenuous efforts behind the shooting of a film? This unit deals with the various aspects of film shooting. So in this unit we are going to see about the shootings. Okay, how the director or shooting the film. Okay, what are the difficulties they are facing behind the screen. Okay, what are the difficulties they are facing? Okay, we only watch the film movie only, but we don't know how much difficulties, how much effort they are put to bring the film. It's very it's not easy way. So they are asking, so behind the scene, behind the movie, the director are facing so much of difficulties. Okay, so this unit is full of shooting only. Okay, how they are shooting, what are the things they are facing. That is the fully that kind of things we are going to see that. And then it is very amusing to watch films with animals and birds as characters, isn't it? So they are saying. So usually in a movie we watch the character, persons only. Okay, human character only we watch. But if we watch the character as animals and birds, Okay, for example, the movie is full of animals and birds means how would you feel? It's very amusing. It's different, no? They are asking. My shooting of such films are often highly risky. So what they are telling, shooting with the animals is not easy. Okay, it's very dangerous. It's very risky. Okay, they are telling. Did you understand? Can you follow me? So shooting with the human beings is very easy. Shooting with the animals and birds are very risky, they are saying. Okay, and it time consuming, so it's time also we cannot say this time up to this we have to do that. Okay, that animals will not permit us. Okay, the animals will not permit us to do that. So that is also very what is this, time consuming, also very important. And then read Project Tiger and see how Satyajit Ray took great pains in shooting a scene with a tiger for his film Goobi Gaine Baha Baine. Okay, so it is a Hindi movie. Okay, Goobi Gaine Baha Baine. Okay, so it's a Hindi movie. So in that movie, he was shooting with a tiger. Okay, a scene with a tiger for a film. Are able to follow me? Okay, so Satyajit Ray took great pains in shooting a scene with a tiger for his film Goobi Gaine Baha Baine. Okay, so here we are going to see what difficulties he is going to face. Okay, so in this film, he need one tiger. Okay, for this movie, he need one tiger. So in order to shoot his film, Goobi Gaine Baha Baine, Satyajit Ray needed the service of a live tiger. So for that particular movie, he needed one live tiger, not dead tiger, live tiger. Okay, he need one tiger. Luckily for him, Bharat Circus was visiting Calcutta at this time. So, by good luck, he won in Calcutta. Bharat Circus came there. Okay, Bharat Circus came there. So, in circus, we know all kinds of animals they will have that. So, luckily for him, Bharat Circus was visiting Calcutta at that time. So what he need? He need tiger for shooting, live tiger. As per Ray's request, the circus manager agreed to send a tiger along with the ringmaster, Mr. Thorat. Okay, understand? So Satyajit Ray requesting the circus manager. Okay, circus, you know, there are lots of different kinds of animals is there. So Satyajit Ray requesting the circus manager to agree to send a tiger. Okay, to send a tiger along with the ringmaster. So we cannot directly what is that, take the tiger and come. So they appoint, in circus they appoint one person to maintain the tiger. So in that one ringmaster is also coming with him. The ringmaster name is Mr. Thorat. Okay, so the tiger is coming with the ringmaster. The shooting was taking place in a village called Nathun Gram near Shiwari in Birbhum. Okay, it's a names and all little difficult only, so don't bother about that. Okay, so the shooting was taking place in a village called Nathun Gram near Shiwari in Birbhum. It's a north side. Okay, and then the tiger had to come out of a bamboo grove into the open space, walk gently for a while and then go back. So what is the shooting scene? What is the scene? The tiger has to come in the bamboo grove. Bamboo grove means bamboo tree. It's a group of trees there. In that place, it's open space. The tiger will come okay, come from that place. This is a scene. Okay, this is a scene. So what happened? The tiger has to walk gently. The tiger has to walk gently, slowly. That is the shooting. Understand? But Mr. Torret was not sure whether it was an easy task. So what happened? So who is maintaining that tiger? Mr. Torret, ringmaster. Okay, but he thought it was not an easy job because shooting with the tiger, it's very difficult. He knows that. Okay, so he thought, what he thought, it was not an easy task. Who thought like that? Mr. Torret. He had never let the tiger out of his cage on his own. So what Mr. Torret is saying, I never allowed the tiger out of the cage. It's very dangerous, isn't it? So tiger is a, what is it? Man-eating animal. Okay, it will eat. Sometimes it will eat the human beings also. So it's very dangerous. So what the ringmaster thought, it's very dangerous to take the tiger out of his cage on his own. Okay, he said he would tie a thin strong wire around its neck. So what Mr. Torret, ringmaster, was telling, I can tie a thin strong wire around his neck. Okay, around the tiger's neck. Okay, he giving a suggestion. Okay, Mr. Torret giving suggestion, I can tie a thin strong wire around his neck. Understand? So the lorry with the tiger reached the location. So what happened? The shooting spot is ready. So everyone is standing. So now the ringmaster brought the tiger. Understand? And then the tiger reached the location. At last the tiger came there. When the door of the cage was opened, the tiger sprang out. So what happened? Once the door was opened, okay, once the cage of the the door of the cage was open, the tiger come out. Okay, come out. Instead of walking gently, it leaped and jumped and rolled about, dragging its poor trainer. So, who is beside the tiger? Mr. Torret, ringmaster, is there. But what happened in the shooting scene is the tiger has to come slowly. Okay, gently. But what had happened? So the tiger was not walking gently. It leaped and jumped, rolled about, dragging its poor trainer. What happened? It leaped means jumping. Okay, it's jumping and then rolled out, rolling like that. You know, in TV and all, if you see that in Discovery channels and all, if you see that what is that, animals behavior, they will roll and they will twist on the sand like that. It's doing. Understand? So what happened? It calmed down and a few shots were taken. So what happened? After some times the tiger was calm. Understand? So okay, up to this I'm stopping my stopping here. So next class we will continue this beautiful interesting lesson. Understand? Until then, take care. Assalamu alaikum. Thank you.